Welcome to Business Technology Platform Service Categories. Today we'll explore the building blocks of SAP BTP. This means we'll examine the core service groups that form the platform's foundation. For example, database services store application data securely, like customer records in a sales app. Understanding these categories is essential for leveraging SAP BTP effectively in your projects. Learn to identify main service categories. This means recognizing the four primary groups of BTP services: database and data management, analytics, application development and integration, and intelligent technologies. For example, the SAP HANA Cloud service belongs to the database and data management category. Mastering this helps you quickly select the right tools for your project needs. Understand how to match services to business needs. This means selecting the right BTP tools for your company's goals. For instance, use SAP Analytics Cloud to turn sales data into visual reports for better decision-making. Mastering this ensures your technology investments directly support and enhance your business operations effectively. Build confidence in navigating BTP capabilities. This means understanding how to select and use the right services for your needs. For instance, if your app needs user authentication, you'd confidently choose the Identity Authentication service. Mastering this navigation ensures you efficiently leverage BTP's full potential to solve business challenges. Understanding service categories is essential for SAP BTP mastery. Helps you find the right tools for each project. This means quickly identifying which BTP services match your needs. For example, to add AI capabilities, you'd select the AI Business Services category. Knowing categories saves time and ensures you use the most suitable services for success. Makes BTP cockpit navigation easier. This means you can quickly find the right services for your task without searching everywhere. For example, if you need a database, you just look in the Database and Data Management category. This organized approach saves you time and reduces confusion. Enables better planning and decision-making. This means you can select the right services for your project needs upfront. For instance, knowing which category handles data versus security helps you allocate budget and time accurately from the start. This foundational knowledge ensures your project is built on a solid, well-informed strategy. Builds foundation for all BTP administration work. This means you'll understand how to organize, secure, and connect different cloud services effectively. For instance, grouping development tools under one category simplifies managing user access. Mastering this structure is essential for any administrative task you'll perform on the platform. Database and Data Management Services. Store and manage your application data. This means securely saving and organizing information your software needs, like user profiles or transaction records, so it can be reliably accessed and updated. For example, a mobile banking app uses this to keep your account balance and history safe and instantly available. This reliable data foundation is essential for any functioning application. SAP HANA Cloud High-Performance Database. It's an in-memory database that processes massive data volumes at incredible speeds, enabling real-time analytics. For example, A retailer can instantly analyze millions of sales transactions to manage stock levels dynamically. This ensures your applications always have the fastest access to critical business data. Data Warehouse Cloud Business Data Modeling. This means creating virtual data models without moving physical data. For example, a retailer could model sales and inventory data from separate systems into one unified view for reporting. This approach simplifies turning raw data into actionable business insights. SAP Adaptive Server Enterprise Relational Database. This is a high-performance database system that organizes data into structured tables with rows and columns, ensuring data integrity and supporting complex queries. For example, a retail company uses it to manage real-time inventory and sales transactions. This makes it a robust foundation for critical business applications. Locating database services within the cockpit. Log into BTP Cockpit. This means accessing the central web interface where you manage all SAP BTP services. For example, just like logging into your email account to check messages, you enter your credentials to reach the dashboard. This first step opens the door to discovering and using database services. Click Services in left menu. This opens the catalog showing all available BTP services, similar to opening a library directory to find books. For instance, if you need a database, you'd go here to locate and enable it. This simple step is your starting point for accessing any service. Select Service Marketplace. This is where all available BTP services are listed for you to browse and enable. For instance, if your team needs a database, you'd go here to find SAP HANA Cloud. It's your starting point for accessing any database service in the cockpit. Filter by database category. This means using the cockpit's category filter to show only database-related services. For example, if you need SAP HANA Cloud, filtering hides unrelated services like analytics or integration tools. This focused view saves time and reduces clutter when locating database solutions. Browse available database options. This means exploring the different database services SAP BTP offers directly in the cockpit. For example, you might compare SAP HANA Cloud for high-performance analytics with PostgreSQL for standard applications. This initial step is crucial for selecting the right service for your project's specific needs. Application Development Services for Enterprise Solutions. Build custom applications quickly. This means using pre-built tools and services to create tailored business solutions in significantly less time. For example, a retailer could develop a mobile inventory tracking app in weeks instead of months, integrating directly with their back-end systems. This rapid development capability accelerates your digital transformation and directly supports business innovation. SAP Business Application Studio, Web-based development. This means developers can build applications entirely through a browser without installing software locally. For example, a retail company's team can collaboratively create inventory management apps from different locations using only their web browsers. This cloud-native approach makes development accessible and scalable for distributed teams. SAP Build Low-Code App Development. This means creating applications with minimal hand coding, using visual tools and drag-and-drop components. For example, a business user could quickly build an internal team task tracking app without deep programming skills. This approach significantly accelerates the delivery of custom business applications. SAP Mobile Services, Mobile App Capabilities. This enables businesses to build, deploy, and manage secure mobile applications. For example, a field technician can use a mobile app to access work orders and update job status in real time, even offline. This ensures your workforce stays productive and connected from anywhere. Integration and extension services. Connect different systems together. This means enabling separate applications to share data and processes seamlessly. For example, automatically updating inventory in an ERP system when a new sale is recorded in an e-commerce platform. This foundational capability ensures your business operations are unified and efficient. Extend existing SAP solutions. This means adding new features to your current SAP systems without changing their core. For example, add a mobile approval feature to SAP SAP, letting managers approve purchase requests from their phones. This approach safely enhances your business processes with custom functionality. SAP Integration Suite, Connect Cloud and On-Premise. This service allows different systems, whether in the cloud or on your company's local servers, to communicate and share data seamlessly. For instance, it can link your cloud-based sales application with your on-premise inventory system to automatically update stock levels. This ensures your business processes remain unified and efficient across all platforms. SAP Extension Suite, Customize SAP applications. This means you can tailor SAP software to fit unique business needs without altering the core system. For example, add a custom approval step to a standard purchase order process in S/4 HANA. This flexibility ensures your enterprise applications evolve precisely with your business. Analytics and planning tools for enterprise solutions. Gain insights from your data. This means using tools to find hidden patterns and trends in your business information. For example, a retailer can analyze sales data to discover which products are most popular each season. This knowledge helps you make smarter, data-driven decisions for your company. Create reports and dashboards. This means building interactive screens that show your business data visually. For example, a sales manager can see a live dashboard with charts of regional revenue and a list of top-performing products. These tools turn raw data into clear insights for daily decisions. SAP Analytics Cloud, Business Intelligence. It's a tool that helps you visualize and analyze company data to make smarter decisions. For example, a sales manager can use it to track regional performance and forecast future revenue. This empowers businesses with clear, data-driven insights for strategic planning. SAP Data Intelligence, Data Pipeline Management. This means creating automated workflows that move and transform data between different systems. For example, connecting sales data from your CRM to your analytics dashboard to automatically update reports. This ensures your data flows reliably and is ready for analysis when you need it. Planning and simulation capabilities. This means you can model future business scenarios, test assumptions, and forecast outcomes before making decisions. For instance, a company can simulate the financial impact of a new product launch to determine its potential profitability. This allows for proactive and data-driven strategic planning. AI and machine learning services on SAP Business Technology Platform. Add intelligent features to applications. This means enhancing your apps with built-in smart capabilities like automated predictions or data analysis. For example, a retail app could automatically suggest products a customer is likely to buy based on their past purchases. This transforms standard applications into smart, proactive tools. SAP AI Business Services, pre-built AI capabilities. These are ready-to-use AI tools integrated into SAP applications, so you don't need to build models from scratch. For example, the service can automatically scan incoming invoices and extract key data like vendor names and amounts. This directly accelerates business processes by embedding intelligence into your core operations. SAP HANA ML, machine learning in database. This means you can build and run ML models directly inside your SAP HANA database. For example, a retailer could predict future product demand using sales data stored right in HANA. This integrated approach eliminates data movement, making your AI initiatives faster and more secure. Automate processes and predictions. This means using AI to handle repetitive tasks and forecast outcomes without manual effort. For example, a retail system can automatically reorder popular products by predicting future sales. This boosts efficiency by letting machines handle routine decisions, freeing people for strategic work. How to choose the right service? Start with your business need. This means identifying the specific problem or goal your company wants to solve before looking at any technology. For instance, if you need to send automated shipping confirmations, that's your starting point. Always let your business requirements guide your service selection for the best outcome. Identify what you want to accomplish. This means clearly defining your business goal before selecting any service. For example, if you need to send automated notifications to customers, that's your specific objective. Starting with this clarity ensures you pick the service that directly meets your needs. Match need to service category. This means first identifying your specific business requirement, then selecting the corresponding BTP service group designed for that purpose. For example, if you need to automate a process, you would look at the business process management category. This targeted approach ensures you efficiently find the right tool for the job. Check service documentation. This means reading SAP's official guides to understand exactly what each service does, its limits, and how to use it. For example, before using the SAP HANA Cloud service, check its documentation to confirm it supports the specific data analysis you need. Always start with the documentation to make an informed decision. Try services in test environment first. This means experimenting with SAP BTP offerings in a safe, isolated space before using them live. For instance, test the SAP HANA Cloud service to run trial queries without affecting production data. This proactive step ensures you understand the service and avoid disruptions. Practice business need to service mapping. Need custom mobile app for sales team. This means creating a specialized phone application tailored for the sales department. For instance, a salesperson could use it to check real-time product inventory and place orders directly while visiting a client. This directly addresses the mobile requirements to enhance sales efficiency and customer service. Category Application Development. This means using BTP to build custom applications that solve specific business problems. For example, a retail company could develop a mobile app for store associates to check real-time inventory across all locations. This approach directly transforms business needs into tailored digital solutions. Service, SAP Build or SAP Mobile Services. This means using these tools to create custom applications or mobile solutions addressing business needs. For example, a retail company could use SAP Build to develop a custom app for tracking real-time inventory levels. These services directly turn business requirements into functional solutions. Need connect SAP to external CRM. This means linking your core SAP system with a separate customer management tool. For example, when a salesperson updates a client's details in the external CRM, this change should automatically appear in the SAP system. This direct connection ensures your customer data is always consistent and up-to-date across all platforms. Category Integration. This means connecting different systems so they can share data automatically. For example, your e-commerce website needs to send new customer orders directly to your SAP system to update inventory and accounts. This seamless connection is fundamental for creating efficient, automated business processes. Service, SAP Integration Suite. It connects different applications and data sources seamlessly. For example, when a sales order in SAP S4 HANA needs to sync with a Salesforce CRM, Integration Suite automates the data flow between them. This ensures your business processes are efficient and unified. Navigating service categories within the cockpit. Service Marketplace shows all available services. This is your central catalog where you can discover and access every BTP service SAP offers. For instance, if your team needs a database, you'd browse here to find SAP HANA Cloud. Think of it as your one-stop shop for all BTP capabilities. Use category filters to narrow choices. This means selecting specific service types to show only relevant options instead of browsing everything. For example, filter by analytics to quickly find data reporting services instead of all available ones. This focused approach saves you significant time during service selection. Read service descriptions carefully. This means thoroughly reviewing the service's purpose, capabilities, and technical details before enabling it. For example, before using the SAP HANA Cloud service, the description confirms it's an in-memory database for high-performance applications, ensuring it fits your needs. Understanding these details prevents mismatches and saves valuable time. Check service plans and pricing. This means reviewing the different service options and their costs before activation. For instance, if you need a database, you can compare the free trial plan with the paid production plan. Always verify these details to avoid unexpected charges and ensure the service fits your needs. Bookmark frequently used services. This saves your preferred services for instant access instead of searching. For example, a developer can bookmark their SAP HANA Cloud instance to open it directly from their cockpit homepage. This simple habit streamlines your daily work and saves valuable time. Key takeaways from today's session. BTP organizes services into logical categories. This means instead of a confusing list, services are grouped by what they do. For example, database services are in one group, analytics in another. This logical grouping makes it much easier to find and use the right tool for your specific task. Each category serves specific business needs. This means SAP BTP offers different service groups, each designed for particular tasks like database management or app development. For example, the database services category provides secure data storage, so a retail company can manage customer information. This targeted approach ensures every business function has the right tools to operate effectively. Database services store and manage data. This means they securely hold your information and let you retrieve or update it as needed. For instance, an employee database keeps staff records like names and roles, allowing HR to access or modify details. This reliable data handling is foundational for any application on SAP BTP. Development services build custom applications. This means using BTP's tools to create software tailored to your specific business needs, not just using pre-built solutions. For instance, a company could develop a unique app to track custom sustainability metrics across its supply chain. This flexibility allows you to solve unique challenges directly. Integration services connect systems. They allow different applications to exchange data and work together seamlessly. For example, connecting your SAP S4 HANA system to SuccessFactors to sync employee data automatically. This ensures your business processes flow smoothly across platforms. You are ready to explore BTE services. You can now identify main service categories. This means recognizing the four primary groups: database and data management, analytics, application development and integration, and intelligent technologies. For example, a company uses analytics services to create real-time sales dashboards. Mastering these categories helps you navigate BTP effectively. You understand how to match services to needs. This means selecting the right BTP service for your specific business challenge. For instance, if you need to automate invoice processing, you would choose the SAP Build Process Automation service. Mastering this skill ensures your solutions are both efficient and effective. You know how to navigate the service catalog. This means you can find and select the right BTP tools for your needs. For instance, if your company needs a database, you'd search the catalog to find SAP HANA Cloud and enable it. This skill ensures you efficiently build solutions with the correct services. Practice in your own BTE trial account. This means using a free, personal SAP environment to safely experiment. For instance, try setting up an automated workflow that sends email alerts for new customer registrations. Gaining this hands-on experience builds the confidence you need to effectively use BTP services in real projects. Great start to your BTP administration journey. This means you've taken the first crucial step in learning to manage and operate the platform. For instance, you've just learned to navigate the BTP cockpit to view your global account. Each step forward builds your skills and confidence as an administrator.